M&M's? Where are your M&M's? Hey, undie pants boy. Where's your M&M's? Look over here. Up here. Look. Bubba. In the cabinet, silly. What are you going to say to Daddy? What do you say? Say thank you. Say thank you. You want M&M's now?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. You want me to open them for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing to them?
Okay. And then.
I'll open them.